Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram chat not showing up loading. First, what you need to do is check if Instagram update or not. On your screen find App Store or Play Store, click on search, enter on search bar Instagram and click on search. If you have some update near Instagram says update. If says open, that means your Instagram app is now have a last update. Second way, it's on your settings, scroll down and click on general. Next step, iPhone storage, click on, scroll down, find Instagram and upload app. Click on upload app, click on pop-up menu upload app, wait some time and click again to reinstall app. If not helping, it's go to Instagram app, just wait to install. Open Instagram app, go to our profile at the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon. At the top right corner, click on three lines. In pop-up menu, click on settings and click on help. Click help a report, report a problem, and click on pop-up menu something isn't work, and write something my chat is not working, and at the top right corner click on send.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.